And in this, we are converting the binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexa to decimal. And here the method will be sum of multiplication of digit with base to the power of position of bit. If you recall in the first slide, I have told about manual method in binary. There we have multiplied the base to the power of position of bit, and we have added and we got the sum. Similarly, we can take an example to clear the confusion. This here we took 1, this right left side 1, and the bit will be here 2, and this will be 1, and this will be 0th bit. We take the base 2 to the power of position of bit, which is 2, plus 0 into base 2 to the power position of the bit 1, and similarly just multiply and we get 4. Next example, we take 1000, not 1111, we have to call it 1011. 1, but the position of bit is 3 here, so we take 3. Next will be 0 into 2, position of 0 is second bit, then position of this 1 will be first bit, then similarly for this one the position of bit is 0, and after doing all multiplication and addition we get the value 11. And this method is also similar from converting octal to decimal or hexadecimal to decimal. First example for octal 1 2 3, and we have the 1 2 3, and we have position bits as 0 1 and 2. So the base is here 8, so we are multiplying with 8, and for hexadecimal the base is 16, we will be multiplying it with 16. So 8 position bit is 2, multiply, then add, then take the next digit 2, then multiply with the position bit of power 1, then 3 into 8 to the power 0, we get the final answer as 83. Next example is 76 8. To convert to decimal, just take the 7, the position bit value is 1 here, multiply, add, we get 62. Similarly, in hexadecimal to decimal, take example 9A116. Have to convert to the decimal. Here we take 9 into 16 to the power 2, because the bit is for 9, the second bit. Then 10 into 16 to the power 1, this will be first bit. And I told you A is represented as 10, or 10 is represented as A. So A is 10, we take 10, then we multiply, and take 1 and multiply, and we get 2465 value. Next example is ABC 16. A means 10, B means 11, and C means 12. 10, 11, and 12. We take the position bit value, we multiply, then add, we get 2745. Thank you for watching till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe, as it will be very helpful for the upcoming video.